It's time to put that money in your pocket, because this video is all about saving you that money.
Thousands of dollars a year by using Kajabi. We have 5 amazing ways that Kajabi saves you thousands upon thousands of dollars a year. But who are we?
We are e-learning partners. Welcome to the channel, where this channel is all about simplifying your e-learning
and saving you money.
You can focus your time on your learners.
Which is why we have a free MasterClass, which is also going to save you money, because you're going to define who your learners are with us on the MasterClass, and then we're going to give you a step-by-step process to save you that time and that money.
And the reason why we're super excited for this video is because this video isn't just knowledge, but it's also coming from experience.
Pulling my hair out,
experience.
Man.
We made the mistakes. We don't want you to make the mistakes as well.
Thousands upon tens of thousands of dollars. So the number one reason why Kajabi,
oh my gosh,
it's not the number one reason, but the biggest cost that Kajabi saves is web development costs.
Oh my gosh,
so
this was so key. This was so key.
Kajabi has a native web development tool integrated in it, and it's easy, it's simple. Anyone can do it. You can actually build a website in less than a day. Our website we built in less than a day, and it's so easy to integrate changes to our website. This is our amazing website built in Kajabi. Hector, what do you got?
Guys, we absolutely love Kajabi. They make it so simple. It's so user-friendly, drag and drop. Even if you're not a developer, even if you've never even touched anything website related, you could pick it up like that.
Oh, yeah.
You're looking at live proof. I don't know how to develop anything. I don't know how to touch anything, but the website builder of Kajabi makes it so simple. And listen to this.
This
is why we were pulling our hair. And at the beginning of the video, I was pulling my hair.
The blog is integrated.
It costed us $10,000 to get a web developer. It was actually $10,000 plus to get a web developer to create what we wanted to create.
And you can do it all yourself
in
Kajabi. And then you can also have that LMS feature too. So that is number one. Number two is email marketing.
Oh my gosh.
Email marketing is all included in what you pay in Kajabi. So we were using MailChimp before using Kajabi. And look at this. First of all,
it's very deceiving. Very deceiving.
It's deceiving, yes.
It's very deceiving.
And then the essentials, but look, at the essentials, yes, you'll pay $11 a month, but only for 500 contacts. 500. So in order to compare apples and not oranges and dragon fruits, we're gonna look at the basic package and the monthly price of Kajabi.
And we're just talking about email here. We're just talking about email. Get ready to see how crazy this is.
10,000 contacts
in the basic.
In basic. And remember, Kajabi includes everything we're talking about today.
Everything.
For MailChimp, if we want 10,000 users on the Essentials package, which is the most basic other than the free, obviously, but the free maxes out at 2,000 contacts. With 10,000 contacts, you're gonna pay $87 a month, which is close to how much a year? $1,000. It's a little over 1K a year. Okay, 1K a year, just for email. Now, if we go to the growth package, you're gonna get 25,000 contacts. And on...
Look how expensive it's getting.
It's more expensive. Look, just for email. It's more expensive than even the Grow, just for email. 25,000 is gonna cost you $225 a month, which is what, $2,700 a year? And Kajabi is gonna cost you $200 a month if you pay monthly. If you pay yearly, you're gonna get 20% less. So, and now let's look at the other one.
This one is crazy. Yeah. So if you go to 100,000 contacts in Kajabi and you compare it to this, in MailChimp, it's $7,200
a year
for just
$605 a month.
Just
on
email.
Kajabi, it's $400 for the top package.
Do Kajabi.
And then with that top package, you also get 3 websites and you get 0 on MailChimp. So that is the second most costly thing that Kajabi will save you literally thousands upon thousands of dollars, even if you just use Kajabi for email and nothing else.
The third thing on the list is your learning management systems, LMSs, and your learning experience platforms.
Exactly.
There's a huge range of them because there are thousands of them out there. But comparatively, if you look at the average cost of an LMS, you're gonna probably start somewhere around $200 annually.
LearnDash starts at $160 to $200 billed annually. Now, this is actually a very inexpensive One of the cheapest, other than Moodle, which is free, but there's a lot more things and problems with Moodle because you have to pay for hosting, you have to do all of the updates and stuff yourself. LearnDash is a learning management system that's very inexpensive that plugs right into WordPress, and it starts at $200 a year. Now, it actually is gonna take a lot of work integrating it, a lot of upkeep, all this stuff, but that is on the low end of LMS costs.
On the higher end, we're gonna go to something that's very, very popular, which is Rise. And their cheapest package.
Their cheapest package is $400 a month, which is the most expensive package of Kajabi.
What is that, like $4,800 a year? I'm not good at math. What is that?
And you get 2,000 active students in the pro package of Kajabi, and you get 100 in the basic package of Rise. So if you want to get 1,000 people, you're going to pay $2,000 a month. For Kajabi, if you want 1,000 people, all you have to do is pay $150 a month. Like, that is the third most expensive piece that Kajabi cuts all of that cost out of. The fourth one is all about video hosting.
Video hosting. This is another really big one where Johnny showed them Wistia, because Wistia is a great tool that a lot of companies use for video hosting. And just the pro, they have the free, they have the pro, and then you have to call them for something advanced. It's $100 a month. That's $1,200 a year.
Crazy. And the cool thing about Kajabi is Kajabi actually white labels Wistia. So the video hosting, all the video hosting functionality of Wistia, you get it in Kajabi because Kajabi is paying the Wistia fee for you. So this $100 a month is already added into what you pay Kajabi. So literally for $50 a month more, you get everything else we've been talking about, including video hosting, specifically through Wistia, but it's actually through Kajabi.
The next thing is hosting. You gotta host everything. If you have your own website, your own this, your own that, you gotta host it somewhere.
Everything, you gotta host it.
Host it,
well, hosting, and this is on the lowest end. HostGator is very affordable.
Very, very affordable.
You're gonna pay $3 a month all the way up to, I mean, these are kind of intro offers. So, I mean, you're gonna look at about seven a month without this intro discount. So that's about, $70 to $100 a year. But this is on the low end. This is like a super basic site without an LMS. And this is like kind of the lowest hosting that you're gonna find. This could go all the way up to thousands of dollars a year, depending how big of a company you are. But the cool thing with Kajabi is no matter how many so if you're on the pro and you have 3 websites, they host it. They host everything. So that is the 5th thing that Kajabi saves you money on.
And the last thing that we want to talk about,
this is probably the most important.
There's no dollar value to put on this because it's almost priceless. The amount that you can spend on this is crazy, is the time and money that you will need to spend on integrating everything together.
Integrating those 5 things that we just talked about.
Website.
Hosting, email marketing, all LMS. That stuff. Your website,
the management,
landing pages,
updates, landing pages, everything.
That's your time and your money, and it's actually going to be more costly to do that than everything we've already gone through. So, save thousands of dollars with Kajabi. We got another video for you.
Well, we not only have another, we have a whole array of videos. We have a Kajabi playlist. We love Kajabi so much. We would, of course, appreciate your support.
Tutorials.
We have our link, our affiliate link, where you got a 30-day trial instead of a 14-day trial. Link below. We would appreciate your support.
Only by using our link.
Only by using our link.
And sorry, we keep pointing.
Kajabi playlist. Go check it out. Go learn all about Kajabi, and we'll see you there.
Give us a thumbs up.
Boom.
Okay.
And subscribe.